Have you ever wondered why your baby seems so restless after feeding? It might be the unnoticed gas trapped in their tiny tummy. Introducing the secret technique of successful baby burping, a modest but crucial ritual. Find a comfortable position with your baby on your shoulder, supporting their bottom with one hand and gently patting their back with the other. Burping helps in releasing trapped air, ensuring comfort and preventing spit-ups. Observe your baby's relaxed expression post-burping, highlighting its importance. This simple act not only aids in digestion but also fosters bonding, as your baby feels secure and content in your warm embrace.